Hi guys, I am Ramiz and today I'm here with my new video. But my today's video it's not going to be for any touristic place or for any travel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys unboxing of my first drone of the life ever. So this is DJI Mini. So DJI had previously Mini Drone, and now since they have launched the second one, this is Mini 2. So this is how the box look like. So before we start the video, I want to thank to my little brother Elijah for sponsoring my drone. And yeah, so here it will go. So this is how we get. It's a combo box. You get few stuff extra. When I say few stuff extra, that means you have two options. Either you can buy only drone, which comes with a battery and charger, and then you get control, of course. And the second option you guys have, you can buy the combo box, which is this one. So in combo box you get few additional stuff, which is our extra batteries. You get one charger for all three batteries, like you can have them charge in one time, and then you get some extra propellers. So here I'll show you guys. So let's unbox and let's see how this looks like. Oh, I need a cutter. So since I'm opening, let me tell you guys. I checked in the market since in Emirates UAE. So yeah, the best deal and the best price I got that was from Jumbo Electronics. People who lives here in UAE, they might be aware of the Jumbo Electronics, and I have apart from all of this, let me thank the guy who was dealing with me in Jumbo Electronics. The guy name was Moody, and here you can see the photo of this guy. So he convinced me to buy this, and so here it's gonna be. So so let's have a quickly. Let's remove the pack. So yeah, this is how it is. I'm pretty excited because this is going to be the first drone of my life. And I have no idea how I'm going to use this. I'll have to learn first. So, all right. So the moment you open the box, oh wow. So all the kits and batteries, I think they have. Oh, that looks good. So this is how it is. It's a carryover bag. You can put all the stuff inside and you can carry. It looks quite strong. I mean, nice solid quality. So let's make it quick. So this is the strap. Let me just quickly get it off. All right. So yeah, looks quite handy and comfortable. So let's open. First of all, they get nice double zippers. Yeah. So here. Yeah, this is. Before we open, there is a small pocket here on the front. So let's have a check what's inside there. So Oh, that's empty for now to carry other stuff. So let's have an open. Oh yeah, this is how it is. So let's start an opening from the smallest pocket here inside. Okay, so let me just show you quickly. They got extra propellers since we have bought the combo, so combo has some extra stuff inside. So this is first thing, A and B propellers. Okay, so this is, so yeah, so they got 4 extra propellers in case if you broke down the existing one, then you can have a replacement here. Apart from this, they get a small screwdriver. This is how you can open your propellers, and then you can fix the new one. And they get extra joystick, the joystick for your remote control. And then some additional propellers. Yeah, so this was the part of this small pocket. All right, so let's go for okay, now they got something here. The box is accessories. So let's quickly open and let's see what do they have in this accessories. All right, so here we go. So the first thing inside, they have charger for the batteries. So in combo box you get 3 batteries, total of 3 batteries. So 2 extra batteries and 1 which comes with the drone inside. All right, so this is how you can charge them. So all in one you can charge. All right, so 2 are here and 1 which must be in the drone. We'll have a look once we open. So there are some more details about the charger, and plus you guys can use this box as to charge your phones also, right? So here it goes, type C and type A. So yeah, so more further inside the box we get charger. So the charger has type A connector. Apart from this, they got some data cables which can be used to charge different kind of phones, or if you want to connect your phone with your drone, then yes, there are options. So they get type C and some more different, which I'm actually not aware about them. So here and here we have the primary cable to charge, to connect your charger with the adapter. Yes, here. So yeah, this was all inside the accessory box. All right, so let me just quickly have make a space so we can unbox other stuff. All right, so yeah, we move to the next part. Accessories box, it's done. Now let's remove the joystick. Yeah, oh, so this is how it looks like, the joystick. You got You get quick buttons here. So this is how it looks like. It has joystick. The sticks are actually not been connected yet. If you see, there are small holes, and the sticks are here. All right, so you can remove the sticks from here, connect it here on this part, and then it has, this is how you connect your device with this. This is how you connect your phone. So must have a small spring or something like that. So it's quite stretchy. You know, you can stretch, so your phone can be fixed inside. And then it has the charging cable or connector. So a few buttons here. Yeah. So this is how the joystick is. Let's move to the next part quickly. And yeah, here it goes. Oh, here it goes, the king. So this is how the drone looks like here. Quite interesting. It's very small, like the size is very small. Maybe similar size with my cell phone, iPhone 10, I think 10 or 11, yeah. So it get here, this part, it has camera, down sensor. So they have a safety strap here. You know, this strap is actually for the safety of your. So let's open it and let's see. So it's very easy to remove. Just make it open like this. So yeah, this is how it is. And then they get some instructions how to open. Yeah, this is how to open your propellers. Yeah, sorry. So this is how it looks like. There are a few stickers which probably, let me just remove it to show you guys, for propellers safety. Yeah. So the stickers are quite strong. So yeah, let me open the second one. All right, so here it is. So quite a lot of stickers. Let me just remove it. Yep, so it goes down. All right, so this is the one. And the last part, there is a protector for a cap or protector, you know, for the camera. So it's easy to remove. So this is 4K camera. Let me just remove all the stickers here so the view can be more. Yeah. So there is 4K camera. And the sensor is on the bottom. They got C-type charger if you want to directly charge your drone here. And the battery case is here. And the sensor is on the bottom. They got C-type charger if you want to directly charge your drone here. And the battery case is, so yeah, here. No charger, no battery at the moment, all right? So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. This is all how it is. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel, share my videos.
Hopeless in the crossfire, there's nowhere to go.